he come. I just gave you something here. There's one here. 3 almonds. He ate so much stuff today, it's wrong. Is he digging holes? Look at it. Come on, eat, Julio. You come waking me up again, man. Every time I come outside, you go and get it. Don't act all strange. It's right there. You know where it's at. You know exactly where it's at. That's the Julio I know. Fattest squirrel in the hood. Every day. Not every other day, every day. My birds is back. I done fed all y'all about 4 times today, too. Every time I throw a bunch of food, they come back.